Hey, welcome you all to the course Information and Cyber Security. This is Abhinay Gulabandhamankar from IT Department, PICT Pune. I welcome you all for the next presentation. In today's topic, we are going to discuss intrusion detection, access controls, and other security tools. This is part 1. Intrusion terminologies. There are some words associated with this intrusion detection system. First one is intrusion. Attacks on information where malicious preparator, that is criminal, tries to break into the system or destruct your system. Next is intrusion detection includes procedures and systems created and operated to detect system intrusions. Intrusion reaction covers action organization takes upon detecting intrusions. Intrusion correction activities restore normal operations, and intrusion preventions are actions that try to deter, that is prevent intrusion proactively. Intrusion Detection System, IDSS, abbreviated IDSS, detects the configuration violations and sounds alarms when detection is happen. IDS informs admin of trouble via email or some pager messages. IDS can configure a system to notify external security organization of break-in. Terminologies are used: alert or alarm it, which is self-explanatory. False negative, IDS fails to detect an actual attack. False positive, attacks alert when none of the occurs. Compound dense value, estimate attack probability, and alarm filtering, which is self-explanatory. IDS classification methods, IDS detection methods, and IDS operations are there. IDS detection methods are: first one signature based and second is statistical anomaly based detection. Signature base is called as SIG IDS and statistical base is called STAT IDS. IDS operations are, there are three operation: network based, host based IDS, HIDS, and application based system app IDS. Let's take first one, IDS classification. SIG IDS, signature, right? Find the network host traffic pattern that matches known signature. What are the advantage? Many attacks have distinct signature under this. What are the disadvantage? IDS signature database must be updated to keep pace with the new attack, and malicious code authors intentionally use the trick and tool to these IDS. Statistical IDS, statistical anomaly based IDS example, network activity compared to known normal traffic. They are comparing this one. IDS sounds alarm when activity is outside baseline parameter. Advantages: IDS can detect a new types of attack. This is the advantage. Disadvantage: require more overhead compute power than signature based IDS. It required more power. May generate many false positives for this statistical based approaches. Look out this diagram where external router are there. This is server. We are watching this under the lens here, right? And this is the IDS system. The host IDS examine the data in the file stored on the host and alter the system administrative of changes. Here goes. Untrusted networks enters into the external router. The network IDS examines the packets on the network and alert administrator of unusual patterns. Right here. So this is the intrusion detection system. NIDS resides on the computer or appliances connected to segment of an organizational networks, looks for sign of attacks. When examine packets, NIDS looks for attack pattern. Install at specific place in the network layer where it can watch traffic going into and out particular network segment. NIDS signature matching. NIDS looks for attack pattern for detection, accomplished via certain implementation of TCP/IP stack. Protocol stack verification look for invalid packets. Application protocol verification look for higher order protocol for unexpected behavior for improper use. What are the NIDS advantage and disadvantage? Under advantage part and disadvantage part in two column. First one, organization can monitor large network with a few devices. Second advantage, passive development minimally disrupt operations, less susceptible to attack. Attacker may not detect them. Disadvantage part, can be overwhelmed by volume of attack traffic, need to monitor all traffic, cannot analyze encrypted network packets. Next, cannot determine if attack was successful. And last one, cannot detect some attack like fragmented packets. Classification HIDS. HIDS runs on particular computer, monitor activity only on that system. Benchmarks monitor key system files, detects when individual files like input and output. HIDS works on principle of configuration management. Unlike NIDS, HIDS can be installed to access information that encrypted transmit over the internet. What are the advantages and disadvantage part of HIDS? Under HIDS, detect advantage part, detect local event attacked on host system that NIDS may not do this. Can view encrypt traffic as it has been decrypted on the system. HIDS unaffected by switched network protocol. And the last advantage, can detect inconsistencies in apps programs by examining audit logs. In disadvantage part, harder to manage than NIDS, vulnerable to attack against a host operating system. HIDS cannot detect scans of multiple host non-network devices. HIDS potential target for denial of services attacks. It use lots of disk space, and the last disadvantage, possible large to compute performance overheaded on host system. Application based IDS. Application based IDS, this is app IDS, look for app for abnormal events. AppIDs may be configured to intercept the request, files system, networks, configuration and protocol, configuration process virtual memory address space. Selecting IDS approach and product. Technical and policies considerations are what are what is your system environment is there, what are your security goals, what are the security goals, and what is your existing security policy. Are there are three questions regarding approaches. Organization requirements and constraint belonging to this. What requirements are giving from outside the organization? What are the organization resource constraint in terms of money? Are selecting which type of IDS approach to be implemented in your organization. IDS control strategies. And IDS can be implemented via one of the three basic control strategies: centralize, fully distributed, and partially distributed one. So centralize, all IDS control functions are implemented and managed at central location. Fully distributed, all control functions and applied at the physical location of IDS components, and partial is combined with two or while individuals or agents can be still analyzed with the response to local threats. They report to hierarchical central facility and organization to detect wide space of attack. So this is the diagram related to the centralized IDS control. So everything is monitored centrally. If you observe this type of icon: network monitoring system, host base switch monitoring system, application monitoring system. So this is the network here, monitoring system implemented at this moment. Yes, and this is the same type of. And if you observe these lines: IDS reporting links, monitoring links, IDS response links, and main network links. This is the fully distributed. Okay, these are the links here: IDS response link, main network links. Right. So this is the internet and fully distributed. So which icon? This icon stands for network monitoring system. Okay, right, implemented here, right. And the switches, these are the router, and this is one system, this one router, and attached with this system is host based monitoring. Host So one of the host based monitoring system is attached to one of the host, right. Application monitoring system, one of the application. So here some packets are routing somewhere, so these are associated with this. Partially distributed IDS. Partially distributed IDS. These are some links where how to reporting. These are the abbreviations for that. Okay, and note down. These are the diagram very properly. It will look like it will use the idea of partially distributed IDS controls. In continuation with this, we will see afterwards. For time being, we stop here. Thank you very much.